How to change language in Blockman Go. Hi guys, it's Mekran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change language in Blockman Go. Changing language in Blockman Go is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Blockman Go. Launch the Blockman Go app on your mobile device. Tap on the setting icon, usually found in the main menu, or by tapping the profile icon and navigating to setting. In the setting menu, look for the language option. This may be listed as language or displayed with a globe icon. Tap on the language option and a list of available language will appear. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. Then app will automatically apply the new language setting and you can continue playing in the selected language. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change language in Blockman Go. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.